Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one, we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you set up your website embedding application on your Whop store. So let's jump right into it. So to embed a website into your Whop store, first of all, head on to the dashboard of your Whop. Then click on the applications or the setup of applications on your web store. And now from this little menu right here, you will head on to Tools. And from the Tools tab, click on Add Application. From the applications that pop up, one of those will be the website embed. Embed a website into your Whop. And now, what would you like to name this embed? Just click anything and then click on Create. And there you go. This is now a website embed. So first of all, you will have to set up your Whop firstly to add a website or to embed it. Once you do so, you click on Configure Website Embed, type in your website URL, so paste it right here, and then click on Save, and that will be connected now to your Whop. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.